Hi, my name's Gabby and I'm an academic skills tutor here at Teesside. Here's my advice on getting the most out of your lectures. Always try to arrive on time, as this gives you a chance to pick a seat that you feel comfortable in and familiarise yourself with the room. When you get the opportunity to, ask questions. There's no such thing as a silly question, and your course mates will probably be waiting for someone to ask the exact thing that you do. Try to stay as focused as possible during your lectures. If you know that your phone, your iPad or your laptop might distract you, remember to mute those or put them on aeroplane mode for the duration of your lecture. If your lecturer shares the lecture slides before the class takes place, take a moment to familiarise yourself with them so that you know what to expect going in. If they share them afterwards, give yourself a little bit of time to refresh your memory immediately after the lecture so that you can consolidate your learning. Remember that you'll be building on your learning throughout the module. If you find something tricky at first, you may well be an expert by the end of the semester. Take notes in a way which you find helpful. If you prefer bullet points, a mind map, or to doodle helpful images, that's great. They'll really help you when you need to revisit them for revision or ahead of doing your assignments. Do make sure you keep your notes in a safe, organised place. This will save you loads of time when you need to revisit them. Form connections with your course mates. It can be really useful to have someone to chat to about the topics and recap what you've covered. Make sure to take down your lecturer's details in the first session. They'll be your first point of contact if you have any questions about the module content or you need any support or advice about what you've been learning. One thing that's really important to remember is to always input your attendance code that will be given to you by your lecturer or module tutor during your lecture or seminar.